आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 26th August 2020. Here is the news of COVID. The country has increased the number by 7,72,676 and recovered cases are 24,67,758. Today's top headlines are COVID-19 recovery rate reaches at 76.30%, JEE Mains and NEET UG exam to be held as per the schedule in the September. Number of examination centers increase. Government make use for the fast FAST AG mandatory for availing any discount in the toll charges. IMD forecast having rainfall in the east, north and central India during the next 5 days. England BCR James Anderson become a first fast bowler in the history of the 1600 test wickets. SC asked the central government to clarify the position on the waiver for the interest on the loan payment for the period of the nationwide lockdown. Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan stressed on the need for the increased awareness about the corneal tissue. The government extended the last date for the receiving EOL in the disinvestment cases for the Air India till the October 30. CGSC start the teleconsultation services to the facility and the consultation with the specialists through the virtual mode. Expert speaking people to aggressively follow social distancing hand or hygiene norms. Today is the birth anniversary of the Mother Teresa. World Health Organization declared Africa free of polio. The National Testing Agency NTA has substantially increased the number of examination centers of the JEE Mains and the NEET UG exam scheduled to be held next month. In order to meet the social distancing requirement due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the number of examination centers have been increased for the 570 to 660 in the case of JEE Mains and from for the 2,546 to 3,843 to NEET GU 2020. For the ensuring the social distancing outstanding for the examination hall and the entry and exit of the candidate have been staggered and aquatic arrangement have been also made for the outside examination center to the unable for the candidate to follow the social distancing norm. The candidate have been also the issue and the advisory guiding for them do's and do nots. For that, the proper social distancing NTA has also written to the state government to extend the support in a local movement in the candidates so that they are able to reach their examination center on the time. And JEE Mains and examination scheduled to be held for the 1st September to 6 September while the NEET UG will be held on the 13th September this year. Government has made the FAST AG mandatory for the allowing the user avail for discount at a highway toll the plaza and across the country. The decision have been taken to promote the digital mode of payment and ensure the seamless travel in the national highway. Government has announced the major initiative for allow the public sector undertaking the first clear the goods and the important by them and through the customs and then pay custom duty later within 14 days. In the statement, Central Board in the direct taxes and for the custom CBIC said for the measure in the expected to result for the speeder clear of the good import by the PSUs. It said the scheme are deferred payment for the custom duties was payment introduced in November 2016 For the import, the recognition of CBIC as authority economic operator. Average income for the MGNE NREGA workers doubled during the coronavirus lockdown, and the CRISIL's report says for the average income per month is unskilled work under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guaranteed Act, and nearly the double the round for the 1000 rupees per month during the first 4 months of the current fiscal. And the report said the April-July period of the current fiscal witnessed 46% growth in the work. The government has allotted the 61,500 crore rupees for this scheme under the union budget and to 2020-2021, and they later increased the allocation for the 40 crore rupees for the amid for the pandemic to support the rural economy. Even after the consideration they received the allocation, more than the 50% of the funds have been spent for the 4 months in the fiscal, and the report said. A finance minister officially he has said that the government may look the introducing the second set for the fiscal the stimulus measure once the COVID-19 infection adapt and the physiological fears of the people's mind. Speaking on the event, the Union Expenditures Secretary TV Somnathan said the normal economic activity is in the emergency right now, and it has not to do what the government has done or not done, but the attributed for the state same the fears among the people. The Reserve Bank of the India has that the do not print the currency notes of the 2000 rupees denomination for the 2019-20. It is an annual report. The RBI said the circulation of these high the denomination for the currency note has been on the decline. On the other hand, the circulation of the currency notes of the 500 and 200 denominational has gone the substantially. Both of the term of the value over the 3 years beginning the 2018. The report also said the total 2.96 lakhs of the counterfeit for the currency notes was detected by the banking sector in the last fiscal year. The RBI also said the undertaken the several initiatives for the introducing the varnish the bank notes in the 100 rupees and denominational on the field trial basis. The government has extended the last date for the receiving expression for the interest in the disinvestment cases of Air India till the 30th of the October this year. Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has stressed the need for the create the awareness to bridge the demand and supply gap of the corneal the tissue, as only the know the treatment of the corneal blindness of the corneal transplant. Dr. Vardhan said the while the digital addressing in the 31st National Eye Donation and the fortnight for the celebration organization by the AIMS, New Delhi and the National Eye Bank. He said the corneal blindness corneal blindness in the world. He said the World Health Organization report the estimate that approximately 5% of the world population is the blind due to the corneal disease alone. The Gujarat government will become with the bill called the Gujarat Land Grabbing the Prohibition Act and the upcoming the monsoon season of the state assembly. The proposal to the effect will be taken in the state cabinet meeting today, and the proposed act will be also provision the setting of the special court that the shall be clear and the cases pertaining for this land. The monsoon season of the Maharashtra legislature will be held on the 7th and the 8th September in the Mumbai, and also necessary precaution in a view of the COVID-19. All members of the assembly and the council will be also undergo the RT-PCR test on the 6th of this next month, and only those the alligator who test the negative will be allowed to attend the session, and there will be the strict implementation of the physical distancing norms in the house as well as the gallery. Every member will get and the safety kit for the considering for the face shield, a mask, health gloves and the sanitizer among other items. 8 bills for the likely the table during the session, which will be see the discussion on the September demand. The death on the Mahat building, the collapse has increased to the 13 of NDRF recovery for the 12 more bodies from the site of yesterday. With the night fall and the more than the 26 hours after the tragic the collapse, when the hopes the survival of the missing the people were the getting dim. A 65-year-old woman was the mysteriously rescued from the debris of the building. The Uttar Pradesh government has ordered a complete ban for the organization, any culture and the religious meeting in the state till the 30th September. Additional Chief Minister Home Secretary that Avinash Kumar Awasthi has issued an order for the beginning kind for the procession and the tablets. Taking the AR Avnish Awasthi said the protocol need to the adherent to be every cost. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 26th August 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको बताते हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को आपको किस तरह सब्सक्राइब करना है। समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप सबसे पहले ब्राउज़र खोलिए, या तो आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, यूट्यूब को खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च करिए, सर्च बटन पर टाइप कीजिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। जैसे ही आप ये करते हैं, ये आपके सामने खुल जाएगा। इसके खुलने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर साई SAI आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है। लाल रंग का जो बटन आपको ये दिख रहा है, लाल रंग का, इसको आप क्लिक करिएगा। जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करते हैं, इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। इसके बाद दाएं कोने पर जाइए, दाएं कोने पर ऑल पर्सनलाइज नन, इसमें आप ऑल को क्लिक कर दीजिए। जैसे ही आप ऑल पर्सनलाइज बटन को प्रेस करेंगे, ऑल बटन दबाएं। जैसे ही आप ऑल बटन दबाते हैं, आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं। इसके बाद आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन आपको लाल नहीं दिखाई देगा। आप सब्सक्राइब समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साइन न्यूज़ या समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करते जैसे ही आप करेंगे, उसके बाद समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया और साइन न्यूज़ पर जैसे जैसे वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे, वैसे ही बिना देर के आपको ये सारे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आने चालू हो जाएंगे। आप समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की सारे वीडियोस देख सकेंगे। आप इसका लाभ ज़रूर उठाइए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और दोस्तों को कहिए वे भी सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। नमस्कार।